Good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. And once more, I put up the book to explain homophones and homonyms so that it's understood better. Last time you couldn't read what was written on the board, so there was some technical problem due to which things were not clear. Now I'm doing it again for your convenience so that you're satisfied with the way it is explained. Now here this is a diary. Now here these are homophones that we are going to do. Now homophones, they are dealing with the phonetics, the way you pronounce words, they have some differences. Now here we have, this is a diary here, that is school diary, Gokulam diary, 2021, this year's diary. And you see that in the diary you have pages with dates, month, everything. You can write everything, what all happens here. This diary is called, the spell is D-I-A-R-Y, diary. And there's another diary, D-A-I-R-Y, and that is about cow and cow's milk. You see the picture of the cow? That dairy where the cows are kept, the animals, cows, buffaloes are kept for milking their cow, and that dairy products are milk, curd and all those things, cheese and all that you have. They are all dairy products. So that spelling dairy, D-A-I-R-Y, and this is D-I-A-R-Y, diary. Both are pronounced in the same manner. Their spellings are different and their meanings are different. So such words are called homophones. Now here we have sail, S-A-I-L, sail. That is, you sail by the river in a boat. So that sail, S-A-I-L. And here the sail is S-A-L-E. That is the one which you have sale in the market. That is discount sale, lesser rate, sale there. They are giving in lesser rate, they are selling of the things. That sale is called S-A-L-E. Then we have blue, B-L-U-E, blue color. There is another blue, B-L-E-W, blue, that you blow a balloon, that blue, you blew a balloon. Blew a balloon means past. So, blue. Then same pronunciation, but they are spelled differently and their meaning is different. Check and check. There is a check where you check things, whether in your bag all the things are there. That check is different. C-H-E-C-K the spelling is. Another check, C-H-E-Q-U-E. That is a check that you write in the bank. You give a check, for money, for check for 50,000, 10,000, all that. That check is called, spelled as C-H-E-Q-E. And that is a difference of spellings, difference of meanings, but pronounced in the same manner are homophones. Here we have deer and deer. Deer is D-E-E-R, deer, that is animal, you know that. And dear, D-E-A, my dear son, my dear, D-E-A-R. So that dear is also different. The meaning is different, but the thing is. So same way, flew and flew. F-L-E-W, flew is that you get to fly away. And flew is F-L-U, that is you get fever. Hair, H-A-I-E-R, hair that you have. And ear, H-E-R-E, ear. Both sound same, but meaning is different, spelling is different. Great and great. Great is somebody who is really great. And the other great is, somebody great, very famous. Some other great is that one who you grate your coconut or you scrap your coconut, that great is called. So you know the difference here. Now we'll go on to homonyms. Now let's do homonyms, children. Homonyms are also like homophones, but there is a little difference in it. The difference is they sound alike. The pronunciation will be the same. Their spelling will be the same. Their sound, their pronunciation and spelling means they are spelled in the same manner, but their meanings only differ. And here that is the difference. In homophones, you have their spellings are also different. And their meanings are also different, but only they are pronounced in the same manner. Here it is homonyms. So homonyms are different in a way, like they have the same spelling, they are pronounced in the same manner, but their meanings are different. Now here you have bark of a tree. I am showing you a tree here. And you have a bark of a tree. Bark of the tree is the wood part of it. This is the bark of the tree. B-A-R-K is the spelling. B-A-R-K, bark. Now here there is a dog and it is barking. So the dog barks, B-A-R-K. park again. So bath and bath, both spelling is same. They pronounce in the same manner, but their meanings differ. Did you get it? Same way we have words like bank. Now you have a bank, you put money in it. So the bank is the bank where you go and take your money or put your money or whatever you do. You know your parents, Indian Overseas Bank, State Bank, Indian Bank, and so many banks are there, South Indian Bank, like this bank. So bank is also, another bank is there, that is, it's a bank of the river. That is the side parts of the river, just next to the river. I have a house near the bank of a river. I say like this means I have built a house near the bank of a river so that I can take water. They do farming at the bank of the rivers. So near the bank, closer to the river. Bank means closer to the river. So bank. So they are spelling the same. Their meaning is different and they are only thing is their spelling is same. And their meaning is different and their same spelling they have. Same spelling, they are pronounced in the same manner, but their meaning is different. There's only one thing that is different. Fair. Somebody who's very fair, no? Fair looking, you say F-A-I-R. There's another fair, F-A-I-R, that is the fair you have in the temples, churches and all, that is Puram, or you call it a Pernala, you call it, where there are all things sold and many people go visit. That fair. Fair and fair, both are different. Then leaves. Leaves, again, L-E-A-V-E. L-E-A-V-E, leaf means leaves. Leaf means leaves of a plant. And leave means to go away. I'm leaving from here and going away. Did you get it? That leave. So they are also same spellings, same sound, but meaning is different. Then we have mean, M-E-A-N, mean. Another mean, same word, spelling, same spelling, M-E-A-N. One mean is that you are very mean. You don't give your things to anybody. Pishkan, you'll call it. Don't give to anybody anything, your things. So you become a mean person. Another mean is the meaning of something. Follow? Meaning of something is. So you know these words. In the same manner, we'll have many more words there which have the same spelling, same sound, but different meaning is called homonyms. And those which have the same sound, different spelling, different meaning is homophones. So I'm sure it's clear with you. Have a nice day. Hope to see you again soon.